This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by aligning prerequisites. You need level 20, a lightning-focused loadout, and 3 lightning essences. Travel to the lightning shrine, fast travel if you marked it. Once there, open the shrine interaction menu and insert the 2 energy cores. This primes the spawn timer. Do this quickly so the world timer syncs with the event window, and make sure to toggle your autosave off to preserve positioning if the sequence fails. Once the summoning sequence begins, you must control the arena. Keep line of sight to the altar. That prevents resets. Use stagger and interrupt abilities on adds to skip the long minion phase, and hold a concentrated burst for the final boss window. If you have teammates, rotate attack phases to reduce total clear time by about 30%. If solo, rely on your summon AI and mobility to kite while preserving damage uptime so when the lightning god appears, unload your highest single target damage immediately. You get 20 seconds to secure the kill and the divine drop. Once done, grab loot from the altar and confirm the achievement. If the boss despawns prematurely, check the world event sync, reinsert 1 energy core and restart the sequence rather than chasing. Make sure to save at a nearby shrine to reset spawns before the next attempt. This avoids wasted travel and preserves your resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.